Your skin can see light, not like your eyes, but it knows when the sun is there, even if your eyes are closed, even if you're not looking, because your skin isn't blind. It's sensing. Inside your skin cells, there are special proteins, opsins, the same kind used in your eyes. Light hits your skin, and something activates. A signal, not an image. A reaction. Your body responds instantly. Pigment changes. DNA repair kicks in. Protection begins. All from light touching your skin. But it goes deeper than that. That signal travels inward, helping regulate your internal clock, your circadian rhythm, telling your body when it's day, when it's time to be awake, when to wind down. So even without your eyes, your body still knows what time it is. This wasn't always known. Scientists only discovered these light-sensitive systems in the 2000s, and it changed everything because it explained something strange. Why sunlight affects your mood, your sleep, even your immune system. It's not just what you see, it's what your body detects. So the next time sunlight hits your skin, remember, you're not just feeling warmth. Your body is reading the light.
Thanks for exploring the universe with us. Keep your curiosity in orbit. Tap subscribe